Okay, Tance, here we go. So this is the back door of the jukebox. You're going to, I don't know if there's a lock here on yours or not, but it should fold down like this and open that back door like that. Okay? This is the upper back door. You're going to reach inside here, and I'm going to take this one off and show you. You're going to reach up inside here, right in this corner, right here on the jukebox. There's a latch here and a latch over there. You reach up inside there, you move that latch, and as soon as I take it off here, I'll pull it off and show you what they look like. So it's really easy. You just gotta bear with it and pull it off. The whole back door will come off like that. Here's those little latches right here. You got to reach up in there. You got to reach up in there and push this like this and open it up. And that opens that one. Do the same thing on that side. And this whole door will pull off. Get it out of the way. Okay? Here's the item you're going to be looking at. This is the search unit. Here's the letters of the jukebox that it's going to be playing. Okay, get it to this point right here. Go ahead and turn the jukebox on. Well, let's do this first. Okay, so you got this mech cover right here. Has a screw up top and a screw right here in the side of it. Take those two screws out and pull that mech cover right off the top here. I'm going to place it back on there and show you. I've already taken this one off, and hopefully you don't get dizzy with me walking around with this phone. Anyway, okay, it goes like that on the mech. It sits like that. There's a little stud down here in the bottom. It sits in that stud, and then you got to wiggle it around and hit the screw holes here and here when you put it back on. But take that screw out and take this screw out. Pull this cover straight up and get it out of your way. Set it somewhere safe so it don't fall over, because it will bust. All right, so now you're going to go inside, flip the jukebox on, and it should be playing a record. When it does, I want you see this little lever right here. Here's the tone arm. Here's the tone arm with the cartridge. Yeah, I think yours is a redhead, but anyway. This little lever right here, you want to push it up like that. See what I did? That's down, that's up. You want to push it up, and that'll cancel the record while it's playing. Then you reach down inside here, and this button right here, this toggle switch, see where I'm at? You reach down inside here, and there's two toggle switches. The bottom one turns the unit off. Leave it alone, we want it to be on. But then hold this button up, the top button, push it up like that, and you'll see what it's doing. Okay, it started the mech going. Now we want it to move. Go ahead and push it up, and now it's scanning. When it scans away from the record that was playing, go ahead and let this switch off, and it'll stop. So make a note of where the mechanism is right now at whichever record's stuck, okay? If it's over here, then move the mech like this. Watch my mech go back and forth. So if it's stuck over here, you want to move the mech to the other side and get it out of your way, okay? Once it's out of your way, leave the switch back off. And now we're going to go back around to the back side of the jukebox. This part right here is the pin bank. Okay, this is the carriage, and you saw how the front mechanism was going back and forth. Now this should be out of your way, so your record, wherever it was, if that carousel, if that mechanism was over here in the front, then your pins down here, let's look up in here. Okay, I might need to put my light on. Let's do that. Okay.